Before I continue to explain the dashboard, I want to quickly mention that this error is actually caused by one of my extensions I am using in my browser. So you will definitely encounter this problem when you are working with Next.js on your playground. So this error is not vulnerable, guys. So you can just avoid it. So what you are going to do is you need to open your Next.js application on incognito mode to see all of your changes. But in production, you will not see this error. You can just avoid this error because of extensions here I am using. So let's continue, guys. Welcome back, guys. In this lecture, we are going to see the demonstration of our admin dashboard. So as you can see, when we landed on this page, you are going to see a page like this, and here you are going to have an option to go to admin dashboard. So when I click it on here, you will be redirected to admin dashboard. Okay, so let's wait. This is the admin dashboard. So under this dashboard, you are going to have one total orders here. We are going to list what are the orders here, what are the total products here, and what are the paid earnings here. Okay, so yes, if you come to down here, you are going to see an order section here. In this, you are going to see 5,000 total sales, rupees 5,000 total sales, and last month we are going to have 0 last month sales, and this is the growth percentage, and yes, it was correct. And here you are going to see the recent orders in this dashboard, and first of all it was going to have Gmail, and we are going to have total rupees 5,000. It was going to have payment, whether the payment was paid or not, we are going to see it like this. And finally a view button here in order to view this individual order like that. Now if you come to down here, you are going to see the product performance. So the size performance for the product you are going to see like this, and second you are going to see top selling products here like this. Now this is the data you are not going to see right now, because when only the product was dispatched to our customer, then only we are going to see the data here. Otherwise we are going to see like this. So we are going to test it. Okay, so just skip this section. So after this section, you are going to see another section telling us to view low stock products here, where it was going to list all of our low stock products here. For the every individual product, it was going to have name and size and stock quantity, right? For every individual sized product, we are going to display the stock quantity here. Okay, I am talking about the sized product name here. So for example, for the 300 ml, it was going to have less than 5 quantity, for example. Then we are going to see on our low stock products section here like this. And coming to the out of stock products, you are going to see the product name, size and stock quantity here, same like low stock products, but here this time we are going to only get the products having 0 as a quantity for that individual size. So let me continue with users here. Let us view our users. So if you come to this section here, users, you are going to see total users our website is having. So if you come to users page, you are going to view all of your users or customers in your website. So who signed up with your website or logged in for your website, you are going to see all of your users here one by one. So first things first, they are going to have image. Okay, so that is the reason why you are going to see this here, and they are going to have email, they are going to have delete and everything like that. So coming to the vendors, if I click it on here, you are going to see all of your vendors list here. So as you can see, there are one total vendors for our website here, and the vendor name was Raghunath, and email was this raghunathwinwin@gmail.com. Phone number was 1212121, for example, like that. zip code was like this, for example, and if he was verified or not, we are going to see it here. Yes, and as you can see, he is not actually verified here. Now also we are going to have option to delete that individual vendor here. How beautiful it was. So if I clicked on here, and as you can see, successfully updated vendor as a message that was came here. If I clicked on OK, vendor was verified here. How beautiful it was. It was looking absolutely amazing. So we can actually make them approve or not by coming to this screen, and we can click on here, and if I refresh this page here, and as you can see, he was not verified like that. Now coming to the coupons here, we can create coupons here as well for our website. So customers can use coupons to get extra discount. For example, for the coupon name, I'm going to type here like new year like that, and for the discount I'm going to give 10% for the order. Okay, not for the individual product, but for the order we are going to create a coupon, and you can choose the date range here. So as you can see, I am recording this lecture on 7th of December 2024. So that is the reason why you are only going to see 7 as active here. Before the days are not actually active, you can't go back as well. From this date onwards only you are going to give discount like that. From 7th to, for example, 21st, if I selected like this, and as you can see, these days are also selected here, 7 to 21. That's it. Now if I click on add coupon here, coupon new year has been successfully created. This is the message you are going to see, and as well as this is the loading you are going to see. If I click on OK here, now if you come to down here, you are going to see new year coupon was added to our list also. And as you can see, there is 10% here. You can edit this, and as well as you can delete this. If I click on edit this, edit, you are going to have ability to edit the name of the coupon, edit the discount of the coupon, edit the date range as well. Now what if I selected from 8 to 22, and if I click on save here, successfully updated. So we have updated the date range here. If I click on OK, if I click on edit here, and as you can see, 8 to 22 was selected here. Now what if I change it to, for example, new year to, like, for example, anything like new Y, for example, and for the discount I'm going to keep 20 here, and if I click on save here, successfully updated. If I click on OK, you can see it was updated on our database as well. Now if I refresh this page here, and as you can see, you are going to see the new updated text here with the updated coupon discount here. And as well as you can click on delete here. If you click on delete, you are going to see this beautiful model that was coming from Mantan UI. Yes, we are using Mantan UI in order to develop this admin dashboard. If I click on delete coupon, successfully deleted. And as well as you can see our coupon was deleted. If I reload this page here, you are only going to see one existing coupon name here. How beautiful it was. Now after this create coupon, you are going to see all orders here. This is main, and this is so important in any e-commerce. If I click on here, you are going to see your total orders here, and as you can see, there are the total orders here. And as you can see, you are going to filter by ID here. If you typed anything here, so it will search about that order ID, and it will populate the order ID here. Now let's test it out. Okay, not only that, but also you can choose the order range here. So by default it was set to today. What if I click on all orders here? Yes, and as you can see, we have actually placed order earlier, so that is the reason why you are going to see this. Now you are going to see order ID here. Yes, it was new order, and the payment method was Stripe here, and the paid, yes, it was not actually paid. For the coupon, he is not actually placed the order with any coupon like that. For the total rupees of 5000, here you're only going to see some basic information about this order, but if I expanded this, you are going to see the full details here. So order for from whom? Okay, so yes, so this is the email, this is the customer email which he placed this order, who placed this order actually. And if you come to right side, you are going to see the shipping information as well. So as you can see, we are also going to see the information about our customer here, the name, the first address, the second address, the state, the city, the country, the zip code, and finally a number here. And as you can see, for the order items, you are going to see individual product here. How beautiful it was listed very good. So as you can see guys, he placed order with these three products here: product number 1, product number 2, product number 3. Here you are going to see what was the product image, what was the product name, what was the size he selected. So for every individual product there are multiple sizes. So what was the size he exactly chosen to? That is the main thing, and we are displaying this as 500 ml. Yes, he was selected 500 ml here as a size, and he placed this order for this product here. And for the quantity, he was selected 1 here. Yes, so he was selected 1 total quantity for this total product, and individual price of this product was 2700. Not only that, but also you are going to see the status here. It was telling that processing, because we have actually changed this to not processing to processing here. Here we are having power to change the individual ordered product status here, not for the total order. Remember that. Why? If you ask me, I'm going to explain you in a minute, but let me continue with my explanation first. Okay, now if you come to down here, you are going to see the second product he was ordered, which was premium green scents, and he was selected size of 300 ml, and he was going to have quantity of 1 here with this price here. And this is the price of this individual product, and he was selected 300 ml, and he was selected 1 as a quantity here. And as you can see, if you come to down, you are going to see it as a processing here, because we have tested a little bit. So that is the reason why it was like this. So for the third product, he selected this product here, and he was selected 500 ml as a size, and he was selected 1 as a product quantity. And for this product, it was going to have 950 rupees for this size here. Remember that we are also having powers to keep individual sized price here as well. So for the 300 ml, he was going to have 500. For the 500 ml, he was going to have 950 rupees, like that. So as you can see, it was not processed yet here. Now what if I click on processing here? So as you can see, these are the 5 statuses here you are going to have. So for every individual ordered product, so first status, it was going to have not processed. By default, when he ordered the product, this is the default value we are going to see, not processed. After that, we are going to have processing as a status. After that, we are going to have dispatched. So, and as well as we are going to see cancelled here as a text here, and as well as completed as a status here. Okay, so when the cancelled will be applied, when our user mistakenly ordered our product, he can cancel that product before we change not processed to processing here. Okay, now if I clicked on dispatched here, and as you can see, successfully updated product order status. If I click on OK, if I refresh this page once again, And here, as you can see, it was updated on our database as well. How beautiful it was. Now 2700 plus 1350 plus 950. Let's calculate this by using calculator here. 2700 plus 1350 plus 950 equals to 5000. So that is the reason why you are going to see total as 5000 rupees here. You are going to see all order information by expanding by clicking on here. From this you can manage your product order statuses here. So if the product was created by the vendor, assume that this is the product of the vendor. On that case, telling that this is the vendor product, and you don't need to actually change the status here, because vendor is having now power for this individual product here, right? So for every individual product, the vendor can create the product and they can view his orders here. Okay, so you are going to see all of your customer ordered product items here, but vendor can only see this individual product here in his dashboard within this same page. So we are going to check it. We are going to check it out on the next lecture, where we are going to discuss about vendor dashboard. So how our system will works. Okay, for example, if the customer ordered a product here, I'm going to explain by making a flowchart so that you can get a brief about this. Okay, let's assume that, for example, the customer came to our website and ordered two products here. Okay, so the first product was actually created by admin and the second product was actually created by vendor. On that case, how we can differentiate them? If he placed the order, how can we differentiate them? So how can we do that? So yes, let me type here. For example, if the customer, yes, customer, and this is the product number 1, which was related to admin dashboard, which was created by admin, product 1 and product 2 here, and this is the product that was created by vendor. So what if he placed the order with these two products here? On that case, what we are going to do is our system will displace these two products on the admin dashboard, but for the vendor, he was only going to see his individual product here. We can also manage vendor product here by changing the status, but vendor can only have powers to change his order statuses. He was not going to have powers on admin. Admin is having powers on him, on vendor. Okay, like that. So that is the reason we have kept individual product status here. Okay, status. So if the user wants to cancel the product, the individual product status here again. So now here is the case. If the customer cancelled this product here, vendor product, if he requested to cancel, the customer cannot cancel the entire order here. He was only going to cancel the individual products that he placed on our website. Okay, that is the main thing here. Remember that. So if he cancelled the product number 1, if he requested like that, we are going to change status to cancelled here. On that case, admin will get notified and he can go with further actions. Same goes for here as well. So that is the reason why we have kept individual ordered product status here, not entire order status. Okay, remember that. So this is the thing Amazon is also doing. So yes, we have done this thing on our website also, like that. But here, what if I choose the payment status to paid here? You are going to see nothing, because it was unpaid order which was coming from Stripe here, and the payment method was Stripe here. And also we are going to have powers to change payment method, the Razor Pay or Stripe here. So what if I click it on COD? You're not going to see anything here because there are no orders that was placed with this COD payment method here. Okay, like that. Now what if I click it on here? You are going to see all of your orders here. We are not filtering at all. Now again click on here to not filter, and yes, now we are good to go. Now what if I copied this string here, and what if I search by this order here? You are going to see this order. Now if I clicked on G here, for example, if I typed G instead of C here, you're going to see nothing here because we haven't have any orders relating to this order ID here. How beautiful it was. You can also filter your orders based on this criteria, like that. Now coming to all products here, you are going to view all of your products here under your admin dashboard. You are going to see all of your products here which you have created. So yes guys, I have created these 4 products on this course. You are going to see, okay, but here you are going to see product image, product ID, product name, category relating to this product, what was the price. So if you expanded here for the 400 ml, it was going to have 1000 rupees. For the 500 ml, you are going to see 2000 rupees, like that. What was the size here? You can actually expand this to see what is the sizes, 400 ml comma 500 ml, like that. But for the vendor, this is the vendor product guys, okay, this is the vendor product, and for that reason you are going to see a vendor name here. Otherwise you are going to see dash here as a value. Now what is this featured here? There is a featured tag for every individual product guys, okay. When we enabled them, we are going to display those featured products on our e-commerce website homepage, so customers can see all of our featured products on homepage. We can display like top selling product, you can display top selling product, like that, whatever you want. And here as well, you are going to see 3 options here: to view the product, to edit the product, to delete the product. How beautiful it was. Now what if I click on edit here? So as you can see guys, from the right side onwards, you are going to see the drawer that was coming from Maintain UI, and here it was going to have update product as a title here. You are going to have product name here, product description here, brand here, SKU here, discount here. You can actually edit your rich text here, rich text editor here as well. You can actually do like that. For the color you can choose it like this, and for the product sizes you can give more product sizes or delete sizes here. You can update the benefits, ingredients, questions, details, like that. Now what if I change product name to premium gray scent to premium gray scent product here, and for the description, what if I change it to premium white scent to premium white scent product here, and for the brand I'm going to keep it as scent here. For example, it was not a required field. For the SKU I'm going to give, for example, 5 here. For the discount I'm going to give 5, and this is the rich text editor which was given by Zodit rich text editor. We can also show them the details here, the details of our product here. So many options here which was given by Zodit rich text editor. We are going to discuss this when we are creating the product here. But for the color here, let me choose like red here. How beautiful it was guys. It was coming from Maintain UI and it was color input. We can choose any color we want. And what if I come to here and if I update the product, you are going to see product updated successfully. This is the message here. Now if I refresh this page once again, if I expand this, you are going to see the updated product name here. And if I click on edit here as well, again you are going to see the updated product name, updated description here, updated brand here, updated SKU here, updated discount, updated Zodit rich text editor, updated color here. How beautiful it was. We can also add or delete product sizes, benefits, ingredients, questions, details here. So what if I clicked on delete here, for example? So I'm going to delete this product here. If I click on delete here, product successfully deleted. This is the message that was coming from our backend. If I click on OK, if I refresh this page here, you are going to see only 3 products here right now. How beautiful it was, guys. So now it's time to go to create product, guys. So if you click on create product, you are going to be asked to enter name, description, brand, SKU, discount, color image, parent, category, subcategories, sizes, benefits, details, long description, future tag, upload images. Oh my god, everything about the product, guys, everything about product. For example, I'm going to give a title like green scent product, for example, like that. Now for the description, I'm going to keep the same name here, description here, for example. And for the brand, I'm going to leave it as it is because it was not required one. For the SKU, I'm going to give SKU 006 here, for example. And for the discount, I'm going to give 30% off. For the color, I'm going to give like this, okay, green. For the color image, we need to actually select our image here, for example, like this, for example, okay. So you can also choose a parent product here. When you selected a parent product, on that case, this product will behave like a child for that parent product, okay. Then it was going to have 2 variants. So for our individual product, then we are going to have 2 variants here, like that. But I'm going to leave it as it is because this is the product I wanted to create as a parent. And for the category, I can select these 3 categories here. We are going to actually see how we can add categories as well. So woman, man, and unisex, for example, if I selected this. And for subcategories, we can select anything from here. And also we are going to see how we can manage subcategories here also, okay. Don't worry about that. Now if I selected skincare, okay, it was selected. If I selected gift sets, yes, it was selected gift sets here. And for the cosmetics, yes, like that. And for the size here, I am going to keep, for example, 300 ml. And for the quantity, for example, I can give like 5 here. And for the price, I can keep like 3000 rupees, like that. I can add here, and for example, I can give 500 ml here, and I can keep 10 here as a value, and I can keep 5000 here as a value here. So I can add more, and I can delete my wish, okay. I can delete it, or I can add more sizes to it, and I can give individual sized price and individual sized quantity here as well. For the benefits, I can leave it as it is. You can give, okay. For the details, what is the details here, you can give it, but I'm not going to give details here because I am going to include on long description here. So now here is the juicy part, guys. So you can click on here, so you can go to full screen, and here you can type anything you want about product. You can keep product features, product description, or even you can upload image here as well. So yes, you can click on here, and here you can keep URL of that individual image and alternative text here as well. You can not only do that, but also you can insert YouTube video here, like that. You can keep bold tag, you can keep italic tag, you can keep underline tag, you can insert unordered list here, you can list ordered list here. You are going to change the font family, you are going to have powers to change the font size here. For example, I can give like 9 pixels, and as you can see, it was selected, like that. Not only that, so many, guys. I'm going to exit full screen here. You can keep whatever you need, but here you are going to have option to like it as featured or not. If you enabled this featured product, you are going to see this
product on our home page, guys. Now it's time to upload images for this individual product. Now if I click on submit here, as you can see, it was loading, which was coming from Mantan UI, and here you are going to see product created successfully. Click on OK. Now go to all products here, and here you are going to see your latest created product here, which you can see on your all products. You can also edit here or delete here, your wish, because this is your playground. You can play anything you want. Now coming to the categories. So yes, here as you can see the categories which I have created on this course. So for the category name, you can give anything. For example, man, woman, kids, for example. Yep, this is and the category. And also you're going to choose images for the individual category here. You can select kids here, kids image here. If I click on add subcategory, it was loading, and category kids has been successfully created. If I click on OK, you are going to see this option here, this category here. You can click on edit here, and we can edit this to, for example, monsters here, for example, like that, kids monster. So if I save here, you are going to see successfully updated product. If I refresh this page here, you are going to see the updated text here as well, which was stored on our MongoDB, like that. You can also delete it by clicking on it and by confirming on it. And if I refresh this page once again, you are going to see that category was actually deleted. Now coming to the subcategories, it was also simple, but this time you are going to give subcategory name, and you are going to select a parent here, which was category here. When I clicked on it, you are going to see three options: unisex, men and women. You can select whatever you want. If I selected women here, and for the name, for example, I can give sent here, women sent, and I can also upload image for this subcategory here as well, and it was required prop, and it was required one. Now if I click on add subcategory, you are going to see it was loading, and yes, subcategory women sense has been successfully created. Click on OK, and as you can see, women sense has been successfully added to our MongoDB database. If I click on edit here, I can choose whatever I want. For example, like this, I can choose women here, for example, and for here, instead of this, we can give it as men here, for example, or yes, I am going to select men here. If I click on save, subcategory was successfully updated. If I refresh this page here, if I click on edit here, so you are going to have women subcategory with men category. This is wrong, right? Now let's change it to women here. Let's click on save here. Subcategory successfully updated, like that. Now if I refresh this, now if I click on here, you are going to see women with this women category here. How beautiful it was. You can click on cancel here or save here. Now if I click on delete here, delete subcategory. Are you sure you want to delete subcategory? This action is irreversible. Yes, confirm it to delete it, like that. Now not only that, but also you are going to have powers to manage your banner images here. Now here, as you can see, this is the website banner images. So and this is responsible for app banner images. You can actually do whatever you can. Okay, so for example, I can browse here and I can upload one sample image here, and I can click on upload here. Here I want to mention that we are not going to store our website banner images or app banner images on our MongoDB database. Instead, we are going to use Cloudinary's tagging feature. So we are using Cloudinary in this project in order to manage our product images. By using Cloudinary's tagging feature, we are going to display website banners and app banners. So yes, like that. We are not storing these images on our database. Remember that. Okay, I can click on delete here. So yes, I can click on delete here as well. Yes, like that. I can delete it and I can upload it our wish. Okay, Cloudinary's tagging feature is so helpful to categorize the sets here. Okay, like that. So not only this, but also you can manage the top bars here. So if you go to any e-commerce website, you are going to see a top bar of the home page, like offering them some discounts. So you can keep here as well. Okay, in this project here as well, you are going to create a top bar title like something like this, for example, blah blah blah, And for the title of the individual top bar, I'm going to select black here. I can give button here as well, button text here. For example, I can give button text as shop now, and for the button color as red here, button link to shop page here. So I am going to give slash shop here. When I click on add top bar, successfully created top bar. If I click on OK, you are going to see a new top bar created here. So you can add as many top bars to it. On that case, if we landed on our e-commerce page, you are going to have top bars there. So we are having two top bars here, right? So we can slide it to right to see the second top bar here, or slide it to left in order to see the first top bar here. That was acting like as a carousel, okay, like that. Now I can delete this as well. So you can click on here, no, don't delete it to keep it, or you can delete top bar here in order to delete this top bar here. If I click on OK, you are going to see the top bar was got deleted. Not only that, but also you can manage your offers here. Now if you go to here, home screen offers, so these are the thing you are going to see on your home screen. So I can give a title like something random, and I can select only two offer types here. I can select between these two offer types here. So I can select special combo, or I can select crazy deal. So yes, this is the special combo offer type. So you are going to specify whether it was crazy deal offer type or special combo offer type, and you are going to upload images for offer here. For example, I am going to select this, and after doing that, if I click on add offer here, on the home screen itself, you are going to see your home screen offers here in order to attract more customers, okay, like that. Offer with this name has been successfully created. If I click on OK, you are going to see this is the thing we have added just right now. You can edit here as well. You can choose special combo here. If I click on save here, successfully updated the offer. If I refresh this page here, now come to down. Now if I edited here, you are going to see it was selected to special combo, like that. Now you can delete this. Yes, delete offer. Successfully deleted offer and its associated images from Cloudinary, like that. Not only we are deleting this document on our MongoDB database, but also we are going to delete the associated images from our Cloudinary, like that. So if I refresh this page, you are not going to see anything related to the created one, like that. Now not only this, but also you can manage the product reviews here. What I mean, if I click on here, so you are going to see the latest created reviews of every individual product, guys. So for this product, I have given a sample review. So this is the product title, this is the product description, and we have tested it. For this purpose, you are going to see it like this. So as you can see here, you are going to see the customer rating, the customer product review, and who was the customer reviewed this. You are going to also view with his image, with his username, and on which date he actually reviewed this product. You are going to view that. Now I can actually do like this. So if we verified this review, then only we are going to see all of our reviews on our individual product page, like that. If I clicked on verified here, so as you can see, it was verified review here. So on that case only, we are going to display our reviews to our individual product page. So when the user submitted the review, on that case we are going to show them a message calling that your review is being verified by an admin for approval, like that. You are going to see the latest reviews here, okay, like this. So that's it, guys. That's it for this entire admin dashboard. From pin to pin, every point was covered in this admin dashboard. So see you in the next lecture, guys, where we are going to witness how we can manage our vendor dashboard. Thank you.